Hello all, welcome to our channel Way to Know. So in this video we will see how the board gets detected in the Simplicity Studio. Board we mean the BRD 4002 main board from Silicon Labs, and then the SA917 radio board that plugs onto it. So now when you open Simplicity Studio without any board connected to the PC, the display looks like this, and there won't be any devices that are detected. Now when we plug in the board, okay, so the board gets automatically detected here. Okay, you can see even it shows the wireless pro kit main board as well as the radio board that is plugged onto it. Okay, and you can see here the device that is there, that means the chip that is there on the radio board, the part number also will be displayed. Okay, now for you to start programming, this detection is a must, because when you go to the file and create a new Silicon Labs project, you should be able to detect the board here. That means, example, SA917, okay, target device, let us keep 917, okay, so that we have MGTBA here. So device is selected, and target boards, if we select SA917 or just press 917, you can see the 43380A, the radio board that we are talking, is detected here or is showing up here, so you can select it. If you are not seeing this board, the SIWG917 or this device in your the project wizard window, that means your Simplicity Studio might have to be updated. So for that, what you have to do is go to install. Okay, click on install on the top here. Okay, and what you can do is install by connecting devices. You can do this, or automatically a pop-up window opens up where it asks to install the updates. So once you install the updates of Simplicity Studio, automatically the devices or the latest devices that are added to the Simplicity Studio pops up in your project wizard. Okay, so in case if you are missing it, ensure that you have the updates done. What happens is, if there are some updates on the right corner of yours Simplicity Studio, there'll be a update checking for updates bar running, and once it checks for updates, as we said, automatically the pop-up opens up. So this is one of the important steps while working with the SI917 motherboard, SI917 radio board, and then the main board that is associated with it.